Yes, it's a beautiful sight. I come out here because I like the fishing.
Joe Gutierrez comes to Lake Mead often.
Taking 2 days off of work just to come out here.
As of Wednesday, Lake Mead is up to 1,076 feet, the highest it's been since spring of 2021, and he's noticed it.
It is wonderful to see this.
Another proposal is on the table to keep more water here and save Colorado River water.
The overall point of the plan we're submitting is, everybody from Wyoming to Sonora and Baja throughout 7 states and 2 countries needs to be part of the solution.
John Ensminger oversees operations at the Southern Nevada Water Authority. He says Nevada, California, and Arizona sent a long-term proposal to the federal government. It would kick in after 2026 and save 1.5 million acre-feet of water a year from cuts to lower basin states. That 1 year of savings could basically supply 8 years of water use to all of southern Nevada. Our water allotment would be cut by 50,000 acre-feet.
We're using about 120,000 acre-feet less than our legal entitlement today. So for Nevada, essentially it means we have less extra water.
If the drought worsens, the plan proposes a lot more cuts to be shared by all states using the river water. But those states up the river, like Wyoming, Utah, New Mexico, and Colorado, sent a different proposal.
The biggest difference between the 2 proposals is ours shares the pain and theirs shifts all the pain to us.
Upper Basin officials in Colorado say they are on the front line of climate change and believe lower basin users are not more important than upper basin users. In December, the federal government will release a draft of a plan for the public to consider.
You couldn't see up here.
Meanwhile, lake goers like Gutierrez are hoping something is done to help the lake in the future.
If it stays like this is awesome.